I'm very excited to introduce you to my new lip category. So this lipstick shade is called Cardinal Red, and I wanted to create a true classic red, bang in the middle of all of the kind of the overtones of pink, red, orange, blue. This is a red in its purest form. It's got a satin finish, it's really lustrous, and it's highly pigmented. The lipstick's so highly pigmented, you can achieve that really beautiful pigment payoff in just one sweep. For this lipstick, I've included botanical antioxidants that help to deeply nourish and moisturize your lips. We have acai berry oil, we have jojoba, we have sweet almond in there, all of these really beautiful plant-based oils that really do help to nourish and moisturize your lips. This packaging is here for life, so when you've used your lipstick, you can take out the bullet, you can recycle it, and you can refill it. When I was developing the red, I was looking at this object and I was thinking, I'm pretty sure that more than just lipstick lovers will want to have this. So I developed a lip balm, which is a universal lip balm, and it has this ultra sheer, beautiful kind of glazing texture. So there's a hint of black, a little bit like the lip black, but not as intense, that just is there to amplify your own natural color. It has these pearls that are suspended in the solid formula that, when applied in a very, very natural way, react to the light and make your lips look really beautiful and full.